चलो, now बच्चा, keep your paper in a standing position and now fold the paper. Come on, हम ऐसे fold करेंगे पेपर को. ऐसे fold करो. Very good. सबने fold किया? Your paper is folded now. Very good. Now take the above paper. ये ऊपर वाला पोर्शन लेंगे और इसको ऐसे उल्टी तरफ ऐसे वापस फोल्ड करेंगे. Come on. Understood? ऐसे पहले क्या किया था हमने? पूरा पेपर ऐसे फोल्ड किया था, फिर इसको वापस ऐसे फोल्ड करेंगे. Come on, let's fold it. Done. Now turn the paper. ऐसे पेपर को टर्न कर दो. अब वापस ये पोर्शन लेंगे और इसको ऊपर की ओर ऐसे टर्न करेंगे और प्रेस इट. अंडरस्टूड? सो बेसिकली हमारा पेपर ऐसे होगा. जब हम ओपन करेंगे तो ऐसे ओपन होगा. दिखाओ आपका हो रहा है. एवरीवन शो इट टू मी. वेरी गुड. ओके, नाउ ओपन इट. कम ऑन, ओपन योर पेपर. Understood? Now this is first compartment, this is second, this is third and this is fourth. 4 different partitions मिले हमको. Yes or no? Count everyone. Did we got 4 different partitions? See, मैम ने थोड़ा zoom in किया तो आपको अच्छे से दिखाई दे. 1 2 3 4. Got it? चलो, अब हम ड्राइंग करेंगे. So again, इसको ऐसे फोल्ड कर दीजिए. Fold it. And now, which compartments are there? First and fourth. Right? First and fourth compartment are there. अब हम इसके ऊपर आइसक्रीम बनाएंगे. ठीक है? तो चलिए, यहाँ पे हम बनाएंगे एक सर्कल. Make a circle like this. And make a cherry like this. Come on. Make a cherry. We are going to make a cherry. Very good. In the first compartment, we will make a cherry. Circle shape or फिर stick. Very good. And वो cherry के ऊपर हम ऐसे देखो. One curve like this. One curve like this. Scoop बनाएंगे. Ice cream scoop. This is ice cream scoop. ये सिर्फ फर्स्ट कंपार्टमेंट में बनाएंगे हम. ठीक है? We are going to make it in the first compartment only. Got it, everyone? This is a first compartment. We have drawn cherry and we have just made the first scoop. We have made the first scoop. Once it is done, you can show me your thumbs up, okay? Very good. Thank you. Now what are we going to do? ये जो fourth वाला compartment था ना, वहां पे we will draw the lower portion. Okay? कौन बनाएंगे हम वहां पे? So come on everybody, make a curve, make a wavy line like this. This is going to be the lower portion. And make a triangle. Like this. Cone होता है ना, वो बनाया. We have made a cone in the lower portion. Mehreen, are you able to do it? Sweetu, आपने बनाया बेटा? Very good. So what we have done? We have made a scoop and we have just made the lower portion and a cone as well. Got it, everyone? Very good. Now slowly open this. Open the paper. And now we are going to draw in the second compartment. हम second compartment में बनाएंगे, okay? क्या बनाएंगे? From here, we will make a yummy scoop. नीचे starting में हम scoop बनाएंगे. At the top of the second compartment, make a scoop. Very good, everyone. Super. So in the starting of this compartment, we have made a baby line. Now what are we going to do? Over here, just make one more scoop. एक और scoop बनाएंगे. ऐसे. We are going to make yummy scoops. Okay? Let's do it. Very good, everyone. Very good. We have made a cherry. We have made one scoop. Now we are going to make another scoop. Got it? Very good. Done? Wonderful. Now what are we going to do? Over here, just make one curve, make another curve like this. Come on. Make one curve, make another curve. And give the outline with the sketch pen. Okay? Come on, everyone. Give the outline with the sketch pen. Everything you have to just trace it with the sketch pen. अच्छे से ट्रेस करेंगे हम स्केच पेन के साथ, ठीक है? Give the outline with the sketch pen, everyone. Komal Mam is going to wait for you all, okay? So come on. I'm waiting. Just give the outline with the sketch pen. Done, everyone? You have given the outline. Once we have given the outline, we will make expressions also. I'm going to wait for you all. Don't worry. Komal Mam is going to wait for you all, okay? Once you are done, you can show me your thumbs up, bacha. It's very easy, but it's going to be a fun. Yes, the art is going to be really amazing. Do it nicely. Give the outline, okay? अच्छे से outline देंगे हम. Now, after giving the outline, we will make expressions. Come on. Make a circle, a big circle. Make one more circle like this. And make small circles like this. Come on. Let's make small circles like this. Okay. Do it nicely. Fill it up with the black sketch pen. We are making eyes of this ice cream cone. Okay. We will make beautiful eyes of this ice cream cone. Done? We can make eyelashes also. Now over here, we will make some different kind of eyes. ऐसे बनाएंगे हम. Different kinds of eyes and mouth we can make. Okay. Just fill up the space nicely. Like this. And over here, we will just make 2 arrows like this. Okay. Come on. Now let's add beautiful colors. So what I'm going to do, I am just going to make this ice cream with a mango flavor. I love mango flavor ice cream. So मैं ये ice cream को mango flavor बनाने वाली हूँ. ठीक है? This is my favorite ice cream. I'm going to make mango flavor ice cream. Children, you can choose your favorite flavors. Okay? आपको जो पसंद है आपको बनाना. आपका favorite ice cream बनाना. This is mango flavored ice cream. Like this. Okay? Then I'm going to make pista flavor ice cream. हम mango बना सकते हैं, हम pista बना सकते हैं. I'm going to make pista flavor ice cream. Okay? Like this. Make pista flavor ice cream. Understood? So mango flavor, pista flavor, and now I'm going to make chocolate flavor also. So this is going to be chocolate chips. Children, we are not in a hurry. Take your time. Do it nicely. Understood? Come on. We will make chocolate chips. हम है ना ब्राउन कलर से ऐसे थोड़े थोड़े स्ट्रोक्स भी दे सकते हैं. These are going to be the chips. Chocolate chips. Your favorite, right? Chocolate chips is your favorite? Yes, I know that. And this cherry is going to be a red color cherry. So make this cherry red in color, like this. A shining cherry with a green stick. Okay, it's done. We are going to make the cone brown in color. Cone हमेशा brown रहता है. The waffle cone, we are going to make it brown in color. Come on. Let's do it nicely. And we are going to give expressions to all the ice cream cones. Okay, I'll show you how we are going to give. हम है ना यहाँ पे एक ऐसे heart shape बना सकते हैं, as if the ice cream is giving a kiss to you. Yeah, yummy yummy ice cream cones. One is showing a tongue to us like this. Okay. And one ice cream is going to smile like this. Understood? So this is how the ice cream cones are going to look like. Okay? Very good. And then I am just going to do the background also with a beautiful color. We can smudge it also, children. Let's smudge it properly. You can give background with light blue color, with dark blue color, but background should always be light in color. So I am giving light background. Okay? Like this. Let's give a light background. And our yummy, yummy ice cream scoops are ready. Understood? Wow, they're looking so cute, isn't it? But what are we going to do, you know, children? We are just going to close this. See? ऐसे close कर देंगे. I'm going to wait for you, then I'm going to show you the magic. Okay? Do it. Come on.